How to fix mobile hotspot not working in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on connection and sharing, and then on top you can see the option personal hotspot. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on or off your personal hotspot. Now turn on your hotspot. After turn on my hotspot, then go back to the main page of your settings and my problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then scroll down and click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.